Hello guys, welcome to our this channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to sign in your Talkatoon account. Talkatoon blocked by VPN, Talkatoon network problem, whatever. This video gonna teach you guys how to sign in your Talkatoon account, Talkatoon problem fix. I did a video on how to create a cartoon. You guys can read and go and watch the video on how to sign up for Talkatoon. Now, guys, I want to beg you guys for something. Guys, please click the bell subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification for you to get notified whenever I drop any video, and click on the comment section of any video and join my WhatsApp group for more updates. I drop updates there back to back more than I drop in this channel here. Go there on the group and join the group, and so many other people are very there. Now guys, and also drop a comment of the video you want me to do for you. Now let's boom over to it. Now in creating Talkatoon now and signing up your Talkatoon account, we are gonna make use of this VPN. First of all, you clear storage and cache of your Talkatoon. That's the number one. Clear storage and cache. Full stop. This I'll just do exactly what I'm doing. Full stop. And you clear storage and cache. Guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. If you guys don't subscribe, I won't be motivated in doing video again. Be motivated. I will just be feeling like whatever I'm doing is babash. Understand? Once you find this video helpful, it's work for you, as it's work for me, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification for you to get notified in every video. I drop videos every week. I don't miss it out. This is VPN we're gonna use. It's one of the best VPN to log in. Kindly download it on Apple Store or your Play Store. Click on this VPN and we connect to UK. Connect to UK. Do not connect to US or whatever country. Connect to UK. Actually, there is a mistake here. My battery is going down. I'm gonna disconnect this. I'll reconnect because I did a mistake. I connected to US instead of UK. Now you connect to UK over here and connect. Now we are connected to UK. I will now move over to our Talkatoon account. After clearing your storage and cache, make sure you clear your storage and cache before you now connect to VPN. Whenever you clear storage, and can allow you to for a second, at least for 10 to more than 10 seconds before you move into. So you have to clear storage and cache before you now log into this VPN. Recognize this VPN so you can download it. And if you need the VPN, you can't find it, you talk to me on comment section. I will drop the link for you. Then you now click on sign in. I did a video on how to create Talkatoon account. Can you go and watch the video? Now, everyone always fail in this place. Listen very carefully. Do not put in your email here. Sign in with Google. First of all, you sign in your Google account. Sign in your Gmail account or the particular account. Now click on sign in with Google. Do not put in the Gmail here. Sign in with Google. Once you click on sign in, go over to the Gmail of the account where the Talkatoon was created. Now click on it. Once you click on it, boom, we move over to our Talkatoon account. This is how to sign in your Talkatoon. Whatever error you're having in signing in your Talkatoon, so many VPN have been declined for you to log in. This is the best way to log in your Talkatoon account, and always use this VPN to access the Talkatoon account to avoid any issue in future or whatever. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel. Just click on, you find this video helpful, just click on your subscribe button. Just in a second, just click on your subscribe button and subscribe and turn on the notification button for more updates, and join my WhatsApp channel. That's where you enjoy all about me.